Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday. And when we check on our economic calendar, we don't really have much. This color, you can't see that color. So you see that this was CPI from Australia, which was aggressively high. So obviously, which means Australia was very stronger. I think even now. So we are waiting for actually PCE on Friday. Let's hope that it's gonna go down. As same as a manufacturing PMI and service PMI yesterday. Yes, it went lower. You can see they were expecting 52. It's like 49. They was also expecting 52, then it went a little bit lower to 50.9, and that actually boosted the stock market to go even higher, and we smashed the market. So I will be showing our signals, how we send the signals and stuff, right? So we're just waiting for our economic core PCE on Friday. That is going to be an aggressive one also. Let's hope things are going to be in our favor. On CNBC, just go there and see Tesla already reported their earnings. They missed their earnings, but they said they are going to start with the production of the affordable EV, which is gonna be way too affordable. That's actually boosted their stock. That's why we did not really see much of a sell on Nasdaq or S&P 500. So we have earnings. This is an earning week. So this is quite bigger, quite similar to economic news, but this is specifically for these companies that we trade inside our Nasdaqs and S&P 500, because we like to trade Nasdaq, right? So you can see that today the bigger one that I see here, it's a Meta platform or Facebook. You can see that. So after the market close, so we're going to see the results from there. So tomorrow, which is going to be 25, let's see, let's go there. This website is quite slow. I don't really understand why. So tomorrow we have aggressive one. We have Microsoft. We have Alphabet, which is Google parent company. And I don't know, do we have Apple? But these two, they are already big. Let's see. I don't know if we have Apple. I wish if we did have like Nvidia. Unfortunately, I think their earnings are going to be next month. So yeah, I don't think we have Apple here. Maybe they're going to release them next week or something. I will check that for you. So I think for here for economic news, I think it's fine. We're done with that. We can close that. This website is quite slower. I don't know what's really happening. Let's close this. It doesn't really want to close. Okay. So as I said, I want to show you our analysis. So not our analysis, how we send the signal. So, but before we do that, for those who did not really see this, we have a lifetime VIP signals for only $60. You can see that this is a limited special. This special means sale for those who don't really understand. So yes, we have this limited special. It's our birthday month for this channel, not for me. For me. I was born 1st of April, and this channel was started around 22nd of April. Yes. So this is a birthday special, but I think you can appreciate this because you pay once and you just enjoy unlimited services. So for those who wants to be part of the team, just know that this is limited. It's not gonna stay here forever. So now, without wasting much of the time, firstly, as you know, I will be showing you this. I think this is a proof for those who I want to move this. Yeah, this can be a proof for those who actually want to see how we send the signals. So on these signals, you can see that on S&P 5 on US30, we did not really take a move here, but we took the other one here. You will see when I do the analysis, yes, the market did go up, and which it was very nice. So we also had a Euro JPY. I don't know if this one went up, but we will see on the analysis. And then I was showing them this flash manufacturing PMI economic news. You can see Nasdaq. we did smash the first signal here, and I also sent the second one, which we also smashed yesterday. It was very good. It means if maybe you joined yesterday with $60, I think if you took these signals, you already recovered your $60. Let's hope that today we're gonna do the same thing. But remember, we can have opportunities every now and then. So you can see this was the first signal of Nasdaq. This was the second one, which was actually smashed. So let's see. This one, it's actually, I think my computer today is quite slower. So that is actually something that we trade for you, which I think at the moment it's fine. You can just talk to me because I have people on the list. So yeah, that's how we send the signal. But it's not only the screenshots, guys. We also send buy, where you should buy, where you should have stop loss and take profit, which you can also adjust because we use different loss sizes, we use different brokers, all those, right? So let's see. I think my computer is quite slower today. I think let me just pause this very quick. Yeah. So now let's go on the analysis. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So now we are actually on a DXY dollar index. So you know what? To make this easy, I will just try to clear this, so that I think, to me, it's not really that clean. So you will understand that we have this longer resistance from back there. So it's still continuing like that, right? So if we start it like that, I think to me it's quite clean. So this is what we have. The news were not really good on the other side of the dollar, so we started to see the market respecting this level. So PMI was really bad. You can see that the market is now trying to go down. I think slowly the market will end up going down like that. I don't think it will just go very quick, but I think slowly it's going there, and that means other pairs which are going with the dollar are now gaining some momentum until we see if maybe the market is going to respect this support area or maybe break out. We will see. It's up to the market. It's not up to us. So we'll see if maybe the market is going to break this area and keep going lower, but we want that to happen so that we can keep buying, or maybe the market will end up breaking out of that, or the market might just take its time consolidating between this resistance and support. So at the moment, it seems like the market is losing that momentum slowly, but the overall picture, yes, we are still on this aggressive uptrend. The dollar is quite still stronger. You can see that the market is still going up. I hope you understand that. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is USD JPY. For almost a week now, USD, it's struggling to break this level, but it's creating this type of moves. You can see we are on this nice uptrend. You can see that back there we also have quite similar thing. Even here we had quite similar thing. Here we also had this consolidation. I can say even there we have that smaller consolidation. Do you see that? Even here, the market is doing the same thing. But at the end of the day, the market will end up breaking out. So, which means you just need to place your notifications so that once the market breaks out, you can easily jump on the market. So, let's place that. But be extra careful. We have PCE on Friday. Today I don't think we have anything. So tomorrow is just jobless claims. So if the market breaks out of this, as we are on this nice uptrend, it means the market might just continue going up as we are on this nice uptrend. Or maybe the market might just continue consolidating or end up breaking out of this resistance or respecting that. So it's up to the market. So which means we just need to wait and see. You see, so, okay, yeah. On Euro JPY, I was talking about this on the signals. I hope you saw that. So we can easily see that, yes, the structure still shows us that the market was or still on this nice uptrend. So obviously, we expect the market to do what? To continue going up. I think I did a mistake. I did not really restart this PC. So slowly, it's just not performing very well. Or let me close some of the apps. Okay, so we can easily see that the market tried to break out. The market did break out here. You can see that. So I'm expecting to see the market continuing as we are on this nice uptrend. Do you see that? And what we see here is the market is giving us a smaller retest. I hope you can see that. The market is trying to give us that smaller retest. Do you see that? So the market touched here. It seems like it's going to go to the upside. Already our order is triggered. So let's hope that we're going to see the market going to the upside. Or if maybe we are not really lucky enough, maybe the market might end up reversing. But at the moment, it seems like the market will end up going in our favor, and we want that. So let's push to the next one. GBP, JPY. What's really happening? Quite similar structure with Euro JPY, with the bullish structure. But what's really happening is we can easily see that this one is still has to break this area, but on the other side of Euro JPY, the market is already higher. So what's really happening here is with this type of a structure, we can just wait here, and if the market breaks out, we can jump in. If not, it means the market might reach this support area where we expect to buy. But you can easily see that the structure is still very nice uptrend structure, so we don't really have to just jump unnecessarily. So because I think everything is quite straightforward. Wait for a breakout, or maybe wait for a nice reversal. So on this structure here, we were just waiting for the market to go a little bit lower to reach that level, but the market did not really reach that point, and yeah, we missed that. But it was going to be a very nice structure. But I like the fact that I did share it here. I was talking about it here. So if you are new to this channel, even if you are not new, just don't forget to smash that like. If you did not really subscribe yet, don't forget to subscribe. So what do we have? What do we have on Bitcoin? Bitcoin still struggles to go to the upside. This is a consolidation, but at the same time, it's going up. It's like going way too slow, because yesterday the market was there. So which means, yeah, the market is quite not really having that bullish momentum. But still, the bigger structure still shows us that we are still on that nice uptrend. I like the fact that the market respected this support area, and it seems like the market will be going up. But don't forget about this resistance, because the market might respect that. So we will see what will happen. We will see what will happen. So on the other structures, what's really happening? We are on Euro USD. I like this. So if you still remember, yes, I was talking about this area and this area, that if the market doesn't really respect this, we might see the market respecting this area or this point. It seems like the market respected this area. Maybe we might see the market continuing going up, but we need to be extra careful with this, because the market might end up going even higher to respect this, because we start to see that the dollar is losing that momentum. So it means at the end of the day, the market might end up going even lower, and that is possible. So we need to be extra careful, because the market is still on that downtrend structure. So which means we're supposed to do what? We're supposed to look for our downtrend or our selling opportunities. So now we're just waiting for the market to reach this area. But since the dollar is losing the momentum, it's possible for the market to go even higher. But we will actually put our notification here. If it continues going down, we can actually take that. So yeah, so now we are on GBP USD. We are on a very nice downtrend structure. We did take this. Oh no, we did not really take this. We did not really take this, unfortunately. I was discussing this with my student. So what's really happening is we can easily see that the market is still on this nice downtrend structure. So it seems like the market is reversing, but around this area, it seems like we have something like that. So the market has a chance to actually go even lower. So down here, we have to place our support area and see what's really happening. So the market can keep respecting that. But remember, the dollar is losing some momentum, so it's possible for the market to do what? To reach this level before we see a very nice sell again. So we need to be extra careful, because we can sell, yes, the market is on a downtrend structure, you can sell and still lose on this sell, on this downtrend, because sometimes you sell at the wrong time, you see. So now we are going on gold. It seems like gold is about to reverse, guys. Seems like gold is reversing, and DXY is also reversing. So gold these days it's a bit confusing, because we see DXY reversing, which shows that the dollar is not really that strong. But here against the gold, it's against gold, it seems like it's still holding up. So it seems like we're gonna have something like this. It seems like that's we can have something like that at the moment. So this is what we're going to have. Let's see. That's what we have at the moment. So which means the market might start to go even lower. So which means here it might be a very nice sell structure for the market to continue going even lower. But remember, we have jobless claims later on. Things might change. PCE on Friday. Earnings, they don't really matter on gold, right? So, but what we see here is it's a good structure. I think the market might end up going down like that. So we can maybe have a scalping. I will tell my people to scalp this if it keeps going down, right? So that can be a very nice sell. So if you see this can be a very nice scalping structure going down, as the market is also going down, right? We are now on this nice downtrend structure, as we had that breakout. So which means we're expecting the market to continue doing something like this. But be extra careful, because remember, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. These are like maybe 20 hours. 20, or let me see, it's 16 hours, I guess, because we can see that the market is going, it's been respecting this level. So if you sell here, be extra careful, because the market might just play around there. And as we know, gold can be aggressive. Gold can be way too aggressive. If I remove that, you will see that, but now it seems to be going. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 candlesticks around the same area. So be extra careful. So let's push to the next one, which is a US30. Which is US30. What's really happening? So on US30, we've been on this nice structure, a nice uptrend structure. I think I need to remove all this. They no longer matter. So you can see that we are coming from this nice uptrend structure. You see that the market has been going up very nice. And now we had this breakout. So which means once we have this breakout, it's a change of a trend. Now we expect the market to keep going down. And yes, the market did that. Fortunately, we had some few sells. And guess what? Now aggressively, the market is starting to go up. So we had this nice bullish structure yesterday, which did not really move like a Nasdaq. You can see that. So we had that. It's been on positive for 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. Let's say 12 to 16 hours, because it's 4, 8, 12, 16. Yeah, it's 16 hours. So yeah, I don't think it's gonna move that aggressively high, but maybe once the market opens, someone can say, Kenzo, do you see this level? Yes, I think that can also make sense if we draw a line like that. So which means we can just say, let's close with, let's break even. Then after, if the market breaks out of here, we can say it's time for us to go even higher. So, but be extra careful, because we're reaching an area where the market broke out. The market can respect this area and start to go even lower. I think Gbpusd did mention this on yesterday's, I think day before yesterday, on the comment section. So he said, yeah, the market might reach this area and retest there before going down. And that it's actually on Nasdaq, it seems to be happening at the moment. The market did push up. So I'm expecting the market to keep pushing up, but with this aggressive bullish, you can see we don't really have any reversal structure there. It seems like this is a seriously aggressive structure. We might end up seeing the market even going even higher. And since we have some earnings, we will see what will happen. I'm expecting to see some very nice bullish structures. But yes, this area, even though we can see here the market is struggling, even if we don't really connect with that structure, but we can see that we have a resistance there or something happening. The market is struggling to break out of that, so we can wait for that for the market to break before we jump in, because there is a possibility for the market to reverse. The market might come around this area and respect that before going up, so we need to be extra safe, right? So let's push to the Nasdaq. On this one we did smash, but don't forget, guys, you can still join our VIP signal. $60 lifetime. You pay once and you just relax. So you can just WhatsApp me, Telegram me, check my description. You will find my WhatsApp link. Click that, it will take you straight to my WhatsApp. Then we can talk. Easy as that. You saw how many signals we did smash there. So if you saw that, obviously you don't really want to miss this. Remember, it's a limited special, so let me know. So what's really happening? We are on this nice Nasdaq structure. This was a very nice bullish structure. So I was talking to someone yesterday, so you can easily see here that this area seems to be making sense, especially on a daily time frame. We did check that and it seems like it's really respecting that. So which means if it did respect this on a bigger time frame, it means that on a bigger time frame, Nasdaq is actually still on that uptrend. But as we are on 4 hours time frame, we were on a downtrend structure. According to 4 hours time frame, you can see we were on a very nice uptrend structure there, and then the market decided to break out. Then the market decided to break out here, and now it seems like the market is going towards that structure. The market is moving towards that structure where we saw a breakout. You see that? So now the market is going there. This thing is not really visible on 4 hours time frame, so let me just use 1 hour. So this area is where the market broke out on a 4 hours time 4 hour time frame. It's where the market actually broke out. So it seems like the market is going there. You see this area, the market might reach this level and go even lower, or maybe things will be good and we might see the market even going even higher. But now let's go here and see what's really happening and talk about what happened. So after that breakout, the market was just going down very nice. We'll push that once the market reaches that area. We had a proper downtrend structure, very short by the way. The market was giving us the lower lows, lower highs, and guess what? The market broke out, and this thing happened very quick. Yesterday we did smash this area very quick by the way. So to me, I thought maybe we're done, maybe the market will be going down. So we smashed this area there. Guess what? After the news, the market also gave us another one, and we did smash this one. You can see this one was very long by the way. So every take profit was hit 2. We did hit 1, 2, but they say one stone did hit 2 birds at the same time. Or I'm not saying that correctly, but maybe you get my point. So which means one signal or one days of this bullish move gave us 2 positions, and all of that, they were very nice. So now we're just waiting for the market to give us a proper structure, and if it breaks, obviously we will end up continuing. Remember, we are buying, but we're not really out of that downtrend structure. We are not really on that. We're not really out. We're still playing around this below this downtrend structure, unless if the market breaks this area, then we will have a confidence to say now it's a proper time for us to buy. So which means whatever that we were doing, it's fine, but we need to understand that this area, it is still under this structure, and the reversal is still there. The market can still reverse, but since we have the earnings, maybe things will change and we will see what will happen. So remember, we don't force opportunities, we follow what we see. We wait for the market to confirm, so don't just expect some unnecessary stuff, right? So we did smash this one also on S&P 500, as we are on S&P, but let's go on a 4 hours time frame. You can see that we are coming from a very nice uptrend structure. So this uptrend structure was broken out, and it seems like the market is aggressively it's reversing. You can see that we had a breakout, then the market started to go down. Now the market is going up, and likely enough we did not really miss that, and which means I can say whoever who maybe took a loss once the market was breaking out there obviously recovered. You can see these nice moves. You can see this nice move, so we did not really miss this ones. I don't know if I sent something in our free group. We also have free group, but don't expect some miracles in free groups, guys. I think we already given enough free stuff on this channel, so we also have to survive, guys. We also need to survive, so I think that is fair. That is fair. So you can't just work for free, right? So yes, I'm just expecting maybe the market to give us a proper support or resistance so that we can continue going up. But don't forget that we also have a proper resistance on top there, actually where the market broke out. So I think for now the structure is not really nice and clean, so it means this aggressive push is like seriously aggressive. So it means that we just need to wait for the market. Today I don't really see much happening, but we will see if the market matures enough to give us a proper resistance and support that we can use. But at the moment we know that on top there we have an area that we can use as a proper resistance, but as a support we currently don't have that, and the market can respect this area and go down. So which means we have to know where we can place our support so that we can keep buying. But the nice buys, they're going to come above this resistance. Simple as that. So let's go to the next one, guys. As I repeat, as I did tell you yesterday, I won't be much available this week and next week, as I'm just doing my personal stuff. So yeah, if maybe you see that I delay you with some updates, just know that I'm quite busy. Né? So yeah, what's really happening on US oil? You can easily see that the market was on a very nice bullish momentum, and it seems like the market here is going to give us this nice consolidation structure. But we know very well that oil, with conflicts, oil mostly will go up, quite similar to gold. But it seems like those conflicts are going down, which is a good, very good thing, because we don't really like conflicts, guys. And if maybe they are going down, we are going to see gold starting to go down, oil or US oil starting to go down, and that is good. And maybe that will also help with the inflations, because if oil is going up, automatically inflation is gonna also slowly go up. Simple as that. I hope you liked the session, so don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Thank you. I will see you on the next one. Bye. So for those who wants to be part of the team, I will just leave it here. You can just WhatsApp me. There is a link. I think you can see it here below this video. There is a WhatsApp link. Click that. It's gonna take you straight to my WhatsApp. So thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.